We are right here on the Santa Monica Pier. We are going to walk around and show you lots of cool things that you can find as you are walking along the pier.
There are all kinds of things to do right here on the Santa Monica Pier. Places to eat, places to shop, rides, all kinds of stuff. Let's go check it out. We cordially invite you to come along for the adventure.
Come along.
Of course, the pier is the end of historic Route 66. You can see the store there, letting you know that Forrest Gump came down here to the pier when he was running. He was just going to keep on running. I believe he kept running, right?
Yeah.
After the
I
Santa
kept
Monica
running.
I don't know where he ran to from here, but he just kept on running. Here's a sunglasses shop, which Heather needs some new ones. She broke hers.
Here, sat right on them in bed.
Ooh. And there's a step there that I didn't know about.
I should have warned
Walked
you.
right by the little hat shop over there too. Speaking of Forrest Gump, the Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. There you go. There he is. The Bubba Gump Shrimp Company, 1975. Restaurant and market. Got lots of cool shirts and hoodies. And I'm sure all kinds of other stuff inside. 2 for $30 for the long sleeve. Go on inside here for a second. Got the Bubba Gump hot sauce. Cookbook for the Bubba Gump Shrimp Company. Lots of other cool Bubba Gump stuff. Yeah. Yeah, what you think about that?
Pretty awesome.
There it is, baby. I just felt like running. Say it again.
I just felt like running.
Yeah. Got a little candy shop, popcorn, Pringles, Cheetos. What the heck are these? I don't even know. That's interesting though.
All the munchies your heart desires.
Yeah, they're right up there. And then of course the beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean from the Santa Monica Pier.
You can even rent a bicycle to check out the pier.
Yeah, right here on the pier, they got single and they got double.
In a little cab to have a baby or a dog ride around in.
Of course, numerous movies, TV shows besides Forrest Gump have been shot here. I mean, just probably hundreds, maybe more than hundreds. Here's a rock shop. Get some cool postcards and necklaces. Oh, look at the little turtles.
Aw.
That's cool. Bracelets. Magnets for Los Angeles. Find one you like.
Oh, that's kind of pretty.
Very pretty. Yeah. There, if you want turtle, Santa Monica, California. That is pretty neat there. $12 plus tax. Not bad. Seashells.
Little jewelry box.
Inside. That is
Ah, that is sweet. Cool little discovery there.
neat. And we got some more seashells down here that are pretty cool. Neat little shop. Some more snack foods.
Ooh, they smell so good. Smell like
Smell
elk.
delicious. They're fantastic.
Oh, you can try one.
Oh, you can try one.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I thought maybe you could try them, but I think
They might belong to the gentleman there.
I was about to steal his beer.
Get your name done here. $1 per letter.
Oh.
Neat artwork. Tamales.
Ooh.
Right.
I bet those are delicious. Some real tamales there.
Yeah, I've heard the Mexican food is great in Los Angeles, Santa Monica Pier.
These are really sweet.
Yeah, there's some friends. Not being being too friendly today.
No. Oh, look at this.
No.
Oh, I thought he was gonna let me.
Not quite.
It was close. Really close.
Jaffa dog. Showing you where they've been featured today in Travel Channel and others. Famous folks. All kinds. Look at these dogs here.
Oh, wow.
Bacon and cheese. Stuff looks super healthy.
Very healthy. It says healthy right here.
Healthy.
So now you gotta believe it is
Yeah,
healthy.
it's definitely healthy.
It tells you so.
Pacific Ocean. Here's some of the hotels and such that are right by the ocean. Some more of the artwork on display. A lot of opportunities to get that here on the pier. Performer over here. People out here taking pictures and videos. Beautiful place to get the pictures and videos you might want. Some more of the artwork.
Wow, check out these awesome Santa Monica t-shirts. They're so cool.
Tees are us.
Woohoo!
Tees it takes 25 or 2 for 40. Hoodies 35, 2 for 60. Crop tee sweaters 35, 2 for 65.
Wow, that is really sweet. And there's a crop top.
Crop
Right
top.
here, crop top for
Yeah.
teenagers.
For the teens. Yes, that's the thing these days, huh?
Yeah.
Up next is Wind Time. That's cool. Look at that thing spinning in the wind. Very neat. Yeah. Got the Route 66 one over there. And if you want to get a little healthy, you got the fresh fruit.
Fresh fruit.
Watermelon, mango, cucumber, all kinds of stuff. Coconut, orange, cantaloupe, pineapple, plus some chips. You want that too. Ah, look at Spider-Man. He's dancing. Spider-Man's dancing. Yeah. Got the clown having a little fun. He can make you a balloon
Yeah.
or other artwork. Look at the beautiful view of the ocean as we're heading out actually onto the Pacific Ocean here. On just a beautiful, beautiful, bright, sunshiny day. Temperatures in the mid 60s. Great day to be out here at the pier.
Absolutely gorgeous.
But if you want your name on a grain of rice,
Oh.
that is pretty neat there.
Yeah, you can even get it in a pen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Cool.
Very sweet.
Your name on a grain of rice. Got some more pictures being taken here.
What is that out there?
I'm not sure what that is.
There's a good amount of that, whatever it is.
This is just a gorgeous view today.
Absolutely amazing.
So they clear out the little shops and such and kind of give you opportunity to walk here and just look at the ocean without anything interfering with your view on either side through this stretch of the pier.
Sir, what's your name?
Now we got a performer over here. Let's see what he's up to.
Big round of applause that I get it. And a souvenir. I'm kidding, that's gross. I'll get you a clean one later, but now the one we're all waiting to see. My last one, my best one, Mysterious Mandarin of Mystery. Now, Bryce, people on the internet suggest the orange might have a hole or a cut. Is there a hole or a cut in the orange? No. Then others suggest that after it's examined, I switch it for a different one. I used to. but not anymore. So to make sure we use the orange you choose, please put your initials right here, but careful, that is a Sharpie. And as Bryce marks the orange, we'll go, sir, you're nice and tall. What's your name?
Lucas.
Lucas. Perfect. That's my mom's name. I love that joke. Lucas, have you ever seen me before?
No.
Then how do you know it's me? Me neither. Lucas, in order to proceed, I need to borrow a bill. You will get it back. I'm outnumbered. I'm surrounded. There are cops on every corner. Anything bigger than a 5 will work. Hold it high. The girls will think you're loaded. A 10 is good. A 20 is better. 50s or 100s work too. Anything bigger than a 5. Oh, check it out, ladies. Lucas is loaded. Now, before I touch your 10, so we can make sure your money comes back to you, please write your name across the white building on the green side. And so you can't call it 100, I can't call it a 5. Well, Bryce, please pass that orange around this crowd. I want a bunch of you to see it has no holes or cuts. Inspect the orange note, the initials, and buddy, would you sit down so the people behind you can see? Perfect. All right, there we go. I love kids. It tastes like chicken. Now, I'll ask you, Bryce, inspect the bag, make sure there's no hidden pockets. And to kill some time, well, the orange goes around. Everyone, knock, knock. That's not everyone, folks. This is not Netflix or YouTube. This is a live show. That means the show's only as good as a crowd. So everyone together out loud, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Smell mop. Ooh, smell mop who? Fine, back to the bag, Bryce. No hidden pockets, correct? And where is the orange? No holes, no cuts. You can toss that over here. I didn't say I'd catch it. All right, here we go. I'm a magician, not a juggler. I'm going to remove that sticker because that's suspicious. But this is as good as magic gets. I want to make sure everyone can see. If you look on the ground, there's a white tape line. Please get as close to the line as you can get. Small people in front, tall people behind them, ugly people to the back. You know who you are. Behind the line, kids, I'm on probation. All right, here we go. This is a classic of magic. It's been done on TV by David Blaine. But I think I do it better, and I'll tell you why. Out here, there's no camera tricks, there's no editors, there's no actors. There's only a few feet between you and me, and Bryce inspects everything. That's what makes this so amazing. Still, some say I cheat, so Bryce, please feel to make sure there's only one orange in the bag. And congratulations, Lucas, you just committed your first felony. Kidding, it's not his first. See, most of us commit 3 felonies each day, but not this kid. He commits 10. What's your name, Hobbit? Malachi. You look like you drive your parents nuts. Me too, high five. Malachi, what do you do for a living? So nothing. Me too, high five. It's hard doing nothing. You don't know when you're finished. Malachi, how old are you? 6. Perfect. It's how old I was when I was your age. We'll write a 6 for Malachi, and to make sure that Malachi, Lucas, and I are not in cahoots. What's your name, young lady?
Viera.
Viera?
Yeah.
High five. That was my name when I was a young lady. Viera, how old are you?
5.
5. Do you like older men? Never mind, he's a bum. Doesn't even have a job. We're at a 5 for there. Sleep. As I come around, I want all of you to see the writing on this $10 bill. This bill is unique. It's one of a kind, and I want to make sure each of you recognize it when you see it again, because you're not going to believe what you're about to see. I call this trick passing the buck. Lucas isn't laughing. Don't worry, Lucas, I'll get you another 5 after the show. Now, I know I said you'd get your $5 bill back. Welcome to LA. Now, Bryce was stuck holding the bag. There's just one thing left to inspect. Some have said that could be a tricky magic knife, so please make sure nothing's hiding in the handle or blade. Perfect. Now Bryce's fingerprints are on the blade. And before we began, an orange was passed around this crowd, so a bunch of you could verify it has no holes or cuts. There wasn't time for it to get to everyone, so if you had an opportunity to inspect this orange, please raise your hand up high so everybody else can see. So we can count. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 or more, but we can be sure. This is the one that went around because those are your initials there. And how was the blade? Remember, Bryce inspects everything. It is what makes this so amazing. If I couldn't make a living this way, and I hate to say that a buck's not enough, but I live here in LA. You can't live here in LA on 1 or 2, which is why I'm asking each of you for 5 or 10, so I can come back again, because if this is the money you saw me swallow seconds ago, it would be an incredible show, but how do you know that this bill's the same? So please watch close, but hold your applause until we see your age, and your name.
So we make our way back on the pier. We go off to the side here and take a look at the little amusement park. It's still got a, looks like it's got a little roller coaster, Ferris wheel, and different things.
Wow, how cool is that to actually be able to see an amusement park on top of the pier? Woohoo!
Pacific Park.
Get a beautiful view of the ocean up there in that.
Yeah, they got several rides in there. Looks like a lot of fun for kiddos.
Oh yeah.
You can get your souvenir photo made. Dippin' Dots, closed for now. Lots of rides and lots of prizes. Prize games.
Oh, look at the octopus up there, right above your head.
Wow, that's cool.
That's pretty sweet.
Got some nachos, fries, soup, salads, beverages, tacos, burritos, nachos.
On that side, you have ice cream and funnel cakes.
Yeah, you can't leave without a funnel cake, can you?
No.
Got the beach burger. Got some more great food to eat. Look at that, that looks great. Funnel cake. Yeah.
Yummy. And there's another souvenir.
All different types of funnel cakes, of course. Powdered sugar, strawberry, whipped cream.
That's what he was
Even
just
add a scoop of ice cream. Yeah, I think he had the whipped cream one. Didn't he?
Yeah, he did, with the strawberries.
I'm sure Heather wants to check this store out.
You know it. So right here, what we got are little souvenir candles that you can get with your name on them.
There's one for Haley.
Wow, that's pretty sweet. Well, we hope you enjoyed checking out the Santa Monica Pier with us.
Be sure to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can come along with us on future adventures.
Come along.